Hi ladies, today I'm going to talk about dating your spouse. When we get married, a lot of us tend to get into survival mode. We just only focus on getting the bills paid, making sure this is clean, making sure that the kids are taken care of. Every time there's something being added to our assignment as a in marriage, buying a house, making sure the car bills are paid. It's so many things, the water, the light, everything. So all we think about is surviving. That's called survival mode. So we forget and neglect the person we're with, our partner, our spouse, and that's not good. You need to spend time together. It keeps the communication very well so that you can understand each other better. Because when you're friends, it's easier to communicate. It's easier to communicate with your friend than someone who's not your friend, right? So when you guys go out to the movies, to vacation, anywhere you go, even if you do like a little a time at home, you could cook and you sit on the table and talk. It doesn't have to be expensive. You could go on a walk, and that just a walk around your neighborhood, that's a date. Just always try to make time to spend with your spouse. It also brings a sense of security. It makes you and him understand that this person really loves me. They have time. They split out time of their busy schedule to spend time with me. That gives them worth, like, oh wow, he still loves me. They might not say it, but they're thinking it. We all think mental. We all thinking up here. So when we make that time to spend with them, it gives them a sense of security, like, okay, that's my girl or that's my man. So that's good. And another thing is, when you go out, keep it fun. Dress nice. Don't wear a turtleneck. He doesn't want his wife wearing a dress nice. I don't know what you have to wear. Wear what he likes. Dress nice. Look cute. Look attractive. And another thing is that it's natural. It's natural to date. Before you got married, you were dating. I believe, I hope you were dating because you had to understand each other. And then after you marry, why is it that you just don't date? You see that there after you marry, that's when a lot of people argue. You wonder why people who were living together, they were okay, they were fine. Then once they marry, they file for divorce. Why do you think that is? Because they think that marriage is just about survival mode. But no, it's really not. Marriage is about working together with one vision. Both of you can have different vision, because then it's like your turn. If you have one vision, one goal, then you know where you're going. But if this person has this vision, that person has this vision, there's no straight path, So we all need to take time out to spend time with our partner. Make them happy, make them food, make them something. Just enjoy yourself, enjoy the company of each other. Do the same thing you were doing before you married, before you guys decided to marry, because apparently it was working. That's what led you into the marriage. But if you're not doing what you were doing before you married, then that's when the trouble comes. So remember, always date, spend time with your spouse. You're never too busy for what is important to you. So make time for your spouse, because he should be important to you. I love you all. Date. Bye.